and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll talk about tires for the golf cart, the EZGO RXV minus a 2010. We're talking about those are the stock wheels and tires which we want to get rid of, and we're going to replace them with those ones. And that's also the sponsor of this video, Antego Wheels, and they provided tire and rim, which is an aluminum rim inside, and they have this little plastic cover here with their logo as well, which is pretty cool. So you saw the size difference. I hope you saw that. And the intention of this video is not only getting bigger tires and getting a better tread on the tires, because you can see this is dirt and we are mainly riding on a dirt road. We also wanted to get a tire which fits in a stock, not lifted golf cart, which is right behind me, the EZGO RXV, but also want to have room and wiggle room and space to lift it at one point. So those are the perfect matching tires. They are 20-inch. To give you a better understanding here from the side view a little bit more, in comparison we have the old, which is I believe an 18 times 8.5 wheel. So we'll get rid of this one. We'll do the video now of the installation. It should be straightforward. I'll show you how that works. One more thing I want to show you, because now we have a nice, really nice rim here. We want to also replace the nuts which are actually currently installed, so I'll show you that as well. And to make it now nicer even, we replaced the nuts with those lug nuts, which actually the 10 LOL brand. They're nice and black, so hopefully they will fit great to the rims. And we'll do installation now on this golf cart, itself. So here we see the tools which we'll need. In my case I'll take an impact, which has a 19mm socket on it, deep socket in my case, and I also have a hand ratchet. It's also 19mm, and a bottle jack, by the way. I'm using this overkill bottle jack, which is a little too high, but you will figure it out if you have a smaller one. And of course we have those lugs, as I mentioned already, the 10 LOL lugs, which we'll use here. They will look beautiful on it. Four boring nuts. Now we can take off that wheel and push it underneath, so in case something's dropping, it will drop down there and we will be safe. Now you want to clean that mess up. In my case, since everything is rusty, and I told you we might have a lift at one point, I'm not replacing anything, we'll keep it as it is. I'm cleaning this area really good. Well, not really good, a little bit. And then we'll put on the new wheels and tires. I'm getting our 4 new lug nuts out. I'm getting the wheel ready as well at the same time. So in my case, I took out this little spring, because the spring is too much when I want to get it on. I don't know if that might be just my hubs, which are different. Maybe they're aftermarket, maybe they're not original anymore. But it's not a problem, it's just a retainer for this plastic piece here, and it will be expanded as soon as you push it on, so I'm not too worried about that this is getting loose. Now make sure it's at the right height. Then you should be able to slide it on. I'll take the lug nuts, we'll hand tighten them on. When you're done with hand tightening, you want to use your 19mm. In my case, I have a specific socket for tires, which has a plastic cover. Hopefully it will help to avoid any scratches on the aluminum rims. And as soon as you have them more tight on, you want to remove that wheel, and then you want to just let it down so it has contact. Because now we can tighten lugs completely. And that's pretty much it. Hi! So the Antego wheels and tires look like they can do the job out here. Well, I think they can do more, but this is amazing. And install them, as you can see them, pretty easy, hopefully, but straightforward. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. This is amazing combo, as mentioned, links in the description as well, in case you want to purchase them or just check them out. Antego Wheels, thanks for sponsoring the video again. Hope to see you next time. Tschüss!